Guys, we are going to make some homemade butter. I have my KitchenAid mixer, and I have some heavy whipping cream. I have an extra bowl and a spatula. So first thing we're going to do is add the whipping cream into the mixer. And you're going to use your whipping utensil. So I'm going to be making salted and unsalted. So just pour it all in there. Ooh, and I'm making a mess. And if you do not have a splatter attachment, I would advise you to take a washcloth or something and put it over a dish towel because it's going to be messy. So turn it on and just let it rip. The mixer's on, and I'm going to just about 6 and let it go for about 10 to 15 minutes. We are getting to the whipped cream stage.
Wait, stop right there.
If you look at it, you would see it's to the whipped cream stage, and it's going to start separating. So just keep it going. We have passed the whipped cream stage. I'm sure you can see, if you look at it, you can see what it looks like. It's way past the whipped cream stage, so it's going to start separating. Just keep it mixing, and it's been about 10 minutes. My heavy cream was really cold, so if you're going to make this, make sure you let it sit out for like 30 minutes. So keep it going, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. After 10 minutes, it's separating, and this is what it looks like. So I'm still going to let it run for a few more minutes. Okay, so it is all separated. Now, all you have to do is take this and put it in a bowl with ice and shake it again. Well, wash it out, I should say. So now you have the butter, and you have some buttermilk that's left over. Okay, so this is the butter, and this is the buttermilk. You're gonna take some ice water and pour it into the butter and mix it. So make sure you don't get any ice in there. I can't do this with one hand. That should be good. And you're going to do that a few times until it is clear. So you see the water is a little cloudy. You're going to keep doing this until the water is clear. Okay, so I decided to put it back into the mixer. Ooh. Make sure you lock it. And keep mixing it until it runs clear. Pour the water out. Now this is really messy, so make sure you have a cover on. Okay, so this is as clear as I can get it to run. If you want, you can mix it one more time, but that's enough for me. I'm going to add my salt and wrap them in plastic wrap. Okay, I'm making some cinnamon butter, so I split the butter in half. I'm going to add salt to this one. And this one, I'm adding some cinnamon and some sugar. The main purpose of me making this is for my son. So I'm going to let this whip, and then I'm going to add some sugar and cinnamon to it. this is the final product of the cinnamon butter. It's delicious. Have it with some toast and you are good to go.